everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 108 of trying a new makeup product every day. So I want to say thank you so much to everyone who entered my giveaway, and so the lucky winner is Julie at Jules777. So congratulations, Julie. I'll be contacting you for sending you your prize. I actually mentioned Julie in yesterday's video when I tried out the Real Technique sponge, so this is like a double shout out for Julie. Julie, thank you so much for all of your support on my channel. So today I'm trying out another LA Colors makeup product that I found at the dollar store. This is their new concealer. You'd think I'd run out of LA Colors makeup products to try, but no, I won't. So I picked this up in the shade Nude. I think they may have had a few different shades, but they all kind of look the same. I definitely wish there was a better shade range available in the skin products at the dollar store. Now that I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm very picky with my concealers. I did have great experience with the e.l.f. concealer that I got at the dollar store. That was like the duo with the highlighting shade at the end, so I can link that video up above because that was a pretty good concealer and that was from the dollar store. Let's see how this compares to some of my favorite concealers. I like that it has this doe foot applicator. Right away that's looking pretty dark. I feel like that didn't give me much coverage, and there's not much of a difference in how my skin or my makeup is looking right now. I'm feeling like it's not light enough to cover up my under eye circles and brighten up like I would use a lighter concealer. I'm going to try applying some more on my nose and see how that does at covering up my pores. I feel like that did not cover them at all. Wow, so if it's not going to brighten my under eyes and it's not going to cover up imperfections, then what can I even use this for? Alright, as much as I would love to replace my expensive Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with a $1 concealer, that's not going to happen because this just did not perform well for me. However, if you have any recommendations for good, inexpensive concealers, leave them in the comments down below because I would love to check out some good concealers that are not as expensive as the Tarte Shape Tape. I do just want to mention, as I mention in most of my videos, that LA Colors is cruelty-free and it's available at the Dollar Tree for $1, so I love that. I've had a lot of success with LA Colors products. Unfortunately, this is not one of them, but I'm still going to continue to try out their products, I'm sure. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.